Hello, this is Doug Bush of Doug Bush Visual Designs and the Drill Dojo. I have 40 years of visual design experience, designing for my own bands and others. During that 40 years, I have spent 20 teaching marching band techniques at the college level, including the Pyware software. I saw a need for a manageable and effective Pyware tutorial. A tutorial that would distill the software down to a level that wouldn't overwhelm the student. By limiting the number of features and tools covered, I was able to incorporate repetition that helps the student become more confident while using the software. This tutorial is 100% online, which affords the flexibility of scheduling and includes a 1-hour wrap-up session. The tutorial is self-paced and written for the beginner. It takes nothing for granted and starts at the very beginning. The tutorial utilizes a 152-page document with a companion 10-part video series. This is to accommodate different learning styles. Some may use the document or videos exclusively, while others may want to use a combination. The document cross-references the video series for ease of use. The document utilizes screen caps, illustrations, and step-by-step instructions while guiding the student through the tutorial. Visual design concepts and tips are incorporated throughout the process. This tutorial is product-driven, providing the student with a 13-set visual design rather than standalone exercises. This helps the student not only learn the software, but to also connect using the software with the design process. The cost of the tutorial is just $125. Here's a side-by-side animation of the actual finished product. The real view is on the left, while the overhead design window is on the right. The tutorial was constructed using Pyware version 10 and includes a sound file, again with the intent of connecting the software with the visual design process. For more information, please visit dougbushvisualdesigns.com.